I have just came up, guys, and look at this pond. It's crazy, guys. So I'm going to put up my net starting from here till there, and then I'll be going to look for the fishes, guys. It's going to be crazy. Let's do that. So I have set it up the net, guys. From here we are just trying to make the fish run so that they can go exactly where I want them to go. From here I'll just make the fish run, guys. Oh, we caught it. We got a fish. One just went over here somewhere. We caught the fish. Okay. So now let's just check out for the net, guys. I'm just going to remove whole net. We got one fish. Check this out. Only one fish. Because this pond was so large that there is another pond which just formed over here. Check this. I've just setted my net till there, guys, over here. So let's check it. If there are any fish, mostly if there are fishes, then it will be here only. There is fish. It just got caught up over here. Let's check this side as well. Oh, we caught another fish, guys. I actually haven't did anything, but there is a fish over here. Check this. Check the fish out. Now let's just look over here. Okay, there we got. See, I told you guys, there are fish, and we just caught it over here. Check that. Now guys, we will remove the net and maybe keep it somewhere over here. Okay, so let me just throw my tool. We're keeping the whole nets over there. Let me just collect up my net. So since guys this fish is very small, you can check the size of it. We are just leaving it back. I just show over here. Just leaving this fish back, guys, and there it goes. Now I'll be removing the fishes, guys, that we caught. One fish, big one. Big fish. And there was another tiger fish. Check the size. So there is this pond, guys, over here. We are going to add up our net into this pond and let's check if we can catch something. So I've set it up my net, guys. Let's check and let's try to catch fish. So whatever the fishes will be, it will be over here. Let's check. See, over there guys, over there some reacted. So I think the fish got stuck over there. Yes, there is fish over there. So let me just remove the whole net, guys. There is only one fish that we caught, and I think that's enough for today, because we just caught a lot fishes, guys. We just caught up this fish, guys. This fish that we have caught up over here. I think that's enough for today. So I'll be cooking these fishes. I'll show that clips to you all, and it would be really amazing to capture the beautiful moments of the culture and the Goan life, guys. You can check the views up over here, which is really crazy and which looks absolutely stunning. All the views really beautiful, guys. I'll just zoom in a bit. Check this, a beautiful view. Crazy, man. Check the whole view up over here, and that's me and the beautiful sun. So that's are the fishes, guys, that we caught, and I'm just tasting it's a fish curry. So let me have a taste. It tastes well, guys. It has a good pretty texture as well as the flavor is very nice. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. I'm going to enjoy my lunch. So yeah, that's all. Take care, and thank you so much for watching the video till here. Thank you so much, and love you all, guys.